field, we have Raymond Tai from Community Bank Darling Square. Raymond, we've got a message from you from someone very special.
Hello, Daddy.
There you go, melts his heart.
Hey, we've got some lovely young students here, the boys and girls from St. Clair's and Waverley, both from Waverley.
Round of applause for our queens on the water. Here's keeping up the views, working very, very nicely. One line for the finish line.
On the river, 3 cheers for the championships.
All right, let's put our hands together for the winners of the Sydney International Grand Championship.